In this video, I'm going to show you how the cutlery cleaning spray mechanism of this GE dishwasher looks after almost a year of use and not cleaning. As you can see, it is pretty filthy. And now let's try to clean it. As a first step, just rinse it with water spray. Then spray with a household grease remover. Using an old toothbrush, scrub all these surfaces, especially the nooks and crannies. Then scrub the other side also, paying special focus on the small spray holes. In the end, rinse it with water spray. Run water through the inlet to check all spray holes are working properly. Thanks for watching.